Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Williams and I am here to make a screencast video about my educational website. So for this website, I have made it as a second grade classroom website just because that's the grade level that I'd love to teach one day. And it's broken up into different tabs where you can find specific information. But the screen that we're looking at right now is the home page. So this is going to tell you a little bit about this upcoming school year, the purpose of this website, and it kind of just breaks down the different tabs that are available for you to look at and explore. So the tabs are at the top. So as you can see, we have a home page, biography page, resources, my favorites, technology projects, and evaluations. So we are going to look at the biography page right now. So on this page, you can see a little bit about me. So you'll find information about where I went to school, why I want to be a teacher, certain things that I like to do in my spare time, even my experiences such as past jobs, and just any other information that is relevant about myself. I also have at the very bottom of the screen a link to a blog. I also have my contact information, which is also available for you to be able to look at. On the resources tab, I have several different educational resources that are really great for students to be able to use as well as parents use with their child. So here they are attached on a Google Doc. So if you clicked this button right here, you'd be able to open the document in Google Docs just to have a better view of it. But I have a bunch of different resources that are really great and I would recommend using. I also have a favorites page, which the favorites page is kind of going off of the resources page, but I've kind of narrowed it down to ones that I really love and think are the best. And it'll be the same thing where you could click this button and it would take you to a Google Doc. I also have technology projects, and as you can see here, it has little subcategories. So I'm going to just click on technology projects first, and then we're going to go into the different sections. So for the technology projects page, I have two Google Slides presentations. One of them is the most amazing spots on LSU's campus, and I have one on different animals, which includes educational facts about that animal. So this is the same concept as before, where you could click this button and it would take you directly to the presentation. I also have a digital story, which is available to watch on YouTube. And I did a virtual field trip across the United States. So I thought this would be a really great way to take students on a field trip without actually going anywhere. So this video is approximately 4.5 minutes long. So this is also available where you could either press play on the website or watch directly on YouTube. I also have PLE and PLN, which a PLE is a personal learning environment and a PLN is a personal learning network. So here I have the same concept as before, where you could click this and it'll take you directly to that document, but I have information on my PLE and my PLN. So my PLE covers things such as blogs, podcasts, YouTube, Google, Skype or Zoom, newspaper, and magazines. And for my personal learning network, I have Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Teachers Pay Teachers, Google Classroom, Google Drive, YouTube, and Gmail. So these are just basically information on ways that I stay up to date and connect with other educators in order to be a better teacher. I also have another Google Doc that's also linked, which has information on blogs, curation tools, microblogs. And I've also I've written 3 reflections about blogs, curation tools, and microblogs. So this is also available for you to look at as well. I have a mobile app review and I chose Nearpod. So you could also click on this presentation and find more information about it. But this is really great to kind of learn more about the apps that are available and how they can enhance learning. I also have my website evaluation. And for this one, I decided to review FunBrain, which is a very popular website. And here you can find more information about this website and my personal thoughts on it. I also have an Apple Teacher certification. So I have earned all badges to be certified for the MacBook, which is the computer that I operate on. And you can also see my certificate. I will take you to the tech blog just so that you can see, but everything is linked on the bottom, so you should not need to click on anything else. So right here, we're at my second grade blog. I have 3 different posts, one on how to use wikis in the classroom, the differences between copyright, fair use, and permissible amounts, and all about me. And this will be updated probably every week, but it's just another way for you to stay in touch with me and what's going on in the classroom. But other than that, I'm so glad that you were able to join me today and learn a little bit more about my website. So thank you so much.